Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na allergic sa lobat, you definitely need this one. One of my most favorite products ngayon is my portable solar panel set. Solar panels, hindi na natin kailangan ipaliwanag. We all need it kasi hindi natin masabi kung kailan mawawala ng kuryente, temporarily or even for longer duration. Pero pag may ganito ka, hindi ka nakakaba-kaba. What I love about this is yung kanyang portability. Based on its rating na 20 watts and 5 volts, estimated na kaya niyang i-full charge yung isang standard size mobile phone for about 1.5 hours at yung 10,000 mAh power bank for about 2.5 hours. Problema ko sa mga solar panels, they can be very fragile and they're not that portable. Pero imagine, you get total of 5 panels tapos napaka-portable pa niyan. Durable siya kasi kahit outdoors ka, hindi ka mamamroblema na mababasag ba niyan kasi meron siyang protective cover. So imagine, no, nagbabiyahe ka, nalobat ka bigla, lobat ka, walang power bank, and you're in the middle of nowhere, hindi ka kakaba-kaba kasi may ganito ka. This is something na dapat laging meron ka sa kotse, meron ka sa bahay, or in your backpack because you'll never know kung kailan ka mawawala ng power. Minsan nangyayari yung mga ganyan situation on the least expected. Pero ako, hindi na ako kakaba-kaba because kahit sa mo ko dalhin, meron ako makukuhanan ng power supply. I can use this for my power bank, mobile phones, chargers, and all other electronic devices na pwede kong saksakan via USB. Kung wala ka pang ganito, this is your chance to have peace of mind. Please click on the yellow basket and peace out!